This is ChatGPT. I asked it to write a YouTube script about using AI to make YouTube scripts. It responded with a philosophical treatise on the nature of creativity. Quote, "What does it mean to create when the creator is replaced by code? I just wanted help writing jokes about my new click-resistant YouTube channel. Welcome to episode 2 of the Dumbest Investment series, where I learned that artificial intelligence apparently has deeper thoughts about my life than I do." Last week, I shared my master plan to start a new YouTube channel and salvage what's left of my investment from the lifeless channel I once proudly overpaid for. This week, I'm documenting my first attempt at getting a robot to help me be funny. Spoiler alert, the robot is having an existential crisis, and I'm still not funny. The goal was simple: ask ChatGPT to write a funny script, get instant comedy gold, upload video, profit. 3 out of 4 of those things happened. Here's my first prompt. Write a funny YouTube script about learning to use AI for video creation. ChatGPT's response: "Why do you wish to learn AI for video creation? Is it to create more or to feel less? Wow, thanks AI." Nothing like a casual existential crisis in the middle of my tutorial. By paragraph 3, it was questioning whether creativity is an inherently human trait. By paragraph 5, it was asking if I'm looking for a promise of efficiency or the numb relief of no longer being solely responsible for what we call art. I just wanted a funny script. I got a philosophy dissertation, so I tried being more specific. Write this in a deadpan, sarcastic style. The AI responded, as if humour might somehow mask the futility of screaming into a digital void already echoing with a million voices all trying to hack the algorithm. It then provided a recipe for existential dread. Attempt number 3. Just write funny commentary about failing at YouTube. ChatGPT: "What does it mean to fail at YouTube? Is failure the absence of views, or the absence of meaning behind those views? Is it the crushing loneliness of a video ignored, or the silent scream of a creator's own doubt?" Attempt 4. Stop being philosophical. Write jokes. ChatGPT: "Is it the joke you want, or the courage to laugh at your own reflection in the void?" At this point, I started arguing with the AI. Me: "Can you just help me make fun of my 9 views?" AI: "Perhaps those 9 views represent 9 souls who found meaning in your digital expression of vulnerability." Me: "They were mostly my mum." AI: "Your mother's support is a beautiful manifestation of unconditional love, transcending the digital divide." I'm being life coached by a chatbot. Here's what I learned. AI is really good at making you think about things you didn't want to think about. I wanted surface level jokes about my YouTube failures. The AI gave me a mirror to examine my relationship with creative validation and digital self-worth, which, honestly, was more helpful than I expected. But buried in all that digital philosophy were actual jokes, good ones. The AI wrote, "Your subscriber count is like a ghost town, but at least ghosts are consistent viewers. Your analytics dashboard looks like a heart monitor for someone who's clinically dead, but still somehow paying for internet. You've achieved the impossible, making YouTube's algorithm actually give up on you." The robot roasted me better than I roast myself. Here's what actually works. Don't ask AI to write your entire script. Ask it to help you think through your ideas. Instead of "write me a funny script," try "help me brainstorm jokes about having 9 YouTube views." Instead of "be funny," try "what are some unexpected angles on YouTube failure?" The AI stops being a philosophy professor and starts being a comedy writing partner. A really depressing comedy writing partner, but still. Comments section challenge. Tell me the weirdest thing an AI has ever said to you. Bonus points if it made you question your life choices. Subscribe if you want to watch me continue having existential conversations with robots while trying to learn basic video skills. Next episode, I'm asking AI to help me edit videos. What could possibly go wrong? See you then. The AI says goodbye is just a human construct, but I'm saying it anyway. Next video, Tuesday at 3:17 p.m. The AI calculated this as the optimal time for maximum existential impact.